All right, welcome to the next video. So we're going to talk about polar coordinates today. So polar coordinates, to be honest, it's sort of just a specific example of what I think is probably one of the most important things in this course, which is change of variables. Okay, go with change of variables. Okay, which is basically sometimes we want to describe things that happen in more than one dimension in sort of a different set of variables. Okay, so that's all that's going to happen. So what we're going to do is we're going to say, okay, we're going to describe any point so we describe any point in the plane um, by x, y, and we're going to do a change of variables to r theta. Okay, so now how are r and theta related to x and y? Well, x is equal to r cosine theta, y is equal to r sine theta, and this is equivalent to r squared equals x squared plus y squared, and theta equals the inverse tangent of y over x. Okay, those are actually equivalent. Okay, so now we already have sort of one equation that we already know. We've already done this sort of with the unit circle. The unit circle is, x squared plus y squared equals 1, which is equivalent to r equals 1. Okay? So every point on the unit circle like so. Let's actually, let's expand this. A little bit bigger. Okay, so every point on the unit circle, really, if you think about this, this is the point. So we have x is r cosine theta, y is r sine theta. Okay, but we could also write it as 1 comma theta. Okay, because r equals 1 and theta, which is given. Okay, so we still have two things to describe this angle or that point. Okay, all right, so okay, we'll go to the next video.